In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon account on hold. If you're seeing that your account is on hold, don't panic. This usually means Amazon needs to verify something before letting you use certain features again. I'll walk you through the fastest way to check the status, follow the prompts, and get your access restored. Start by going to your Amazon account and signing in. On a desktop browser, look to the top right of the page for the Accounts and Lists area. Hover your mouse over it, then click Account to open your account settings. From there, scroll down to the bottom and select Customer Service. This takes you into Amazon's Help Hub, where you'll find the tools specifically designed for login and account issues. Inside Help, choose the option for help with signing in. When an account is on hold, Amazon sometimes clears it automatically after a security review. That can take a few hours, and in many cases, the hold is lifted within 24 hours. So if you've just noticed the hold, give it a little time and check back later. It's common for the restriction to disappear once their system finishes the review. If the hold remains, select the topic that says your account is on hold and follow the steps shown on the screen. Amazon will guide you through exactly what they need from you. In some situations, they'll request documentation to verify your identity or address. If you're asked for documents, make sure your name and address match what's on your account, the images are clear and readable, and only submit them through the secure upload link Amazon provides. Avoid sending extra details they didn't request, and never share full credit card numbers or passwords. After you complete the steps, keep an eye on your email and your Amazon Message Center for updates. Processing times vary, but many reviews finish within a day. Try not to submit the same information multiple times, as that can slow things down. If the hold still isn't resolved after following these instructions, contact Amazon using the international customer service number listed on the official help page. Use the contact details shown there for your region, and be aware that international charges may apply. When you reach out, have your basic account information and recent order details handy to speed things along, but don't share sensitive information that support didn't ask for. That's it. Follow these steps, be patient with the review window, and your account should be back to normal soon. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.